Today we are having our annual STEAM Day. That's our goal, is to get their things in their hands so that they can be a part of it and really get a good feel for what it's like to be in the STEAM field and the different jobs.
I sort of went to be an engineer or architect when I grew up, so I've just sort of been getting to meet people who actually have those jobs, and it's been sort of just getting a preview about it.
This table needed help, right?
Lightsabers, like with batteries. I like learning about it because we can be like creative with how we do it.
Probably because it has like a lot of learning in it. And like you can learn but also have fun at the same time. And I think that that's really cool.
I think my favorite part of it is our community and parent involvement. Our staff is doing an amazing job with planning, but the fact that we're able to have a bunch of parents and even some of our staff children, adult children, come and help us out and participate and just be involved with our kids. It's a really great day to bring the community together.
Well, it's important to have fun, and it's important to just be with your friends and learn new things and just experience all the cool things that happened on this one particular day.